You can add promo codes for your courses that students can use during payment. This tool helps attract a wider audience and boost sales. A promo code is a unique combination of characters that customers can use to receive a discount or other benefits when making online purchases. Offering discounts via promo codes encourages new customers to try your product or service and motivates existing ones to make repeat purchases. Promo codes are also useful for marketing analytics. By assigning unique codes to different channels, you can track which source brings in the most active users. To create a promo code, go to the Courses section, then to Promo Codes and click Add Promo Code. Enter your custom promo code name or click the button to automatically generate a random combination of characters. A promo code can contain Latin letters and numbers and must consist of a single word without spaces. Select the courses from the drop-down list. You can assign a promo code to one or multiple paid courses. Next, specify the discount, either as a percentage or a fixed amount. The fixed amount must be less than the course price. If you want the promo code to be available only to certain students, enable the Assign to specific users. You can limit eligible users by email address or by their enrollment in other courses. To set a validity period, enable Set a discount validity period. Choose the start and end valid date and time, and if needed, adjust the time zone by clicking the UTC field. Activate Limit the number of users to restrict the total number of times a promo code can be used. Enter the number, and the first students to apply it will receive the discount. When done, click Add to save the promo code. Once the promo code is created and shared, students can use it during payment, on the course page, in pop-ups, or in their student account. When a student clicks Pay, a modal window opens where they can check the box I have a promo code and enter it. The discount and updated amount will appear, and clicking Pay will redirect them to the payment page. To track who used a promo code, open the Students tab. Next to the payment status, you'll see the applied discount. Hover over it to view the specific promo code used. You can also manage all promo codes in the Promo Codes section. This page lists every promo code across all courses in order of creation, showing the associated course name, discount size, number of times used, availability, and status active or inactive. By clicking the three dots next to any promo code, you can edit it, view the users who used it, deactivate it, or delete it. Only unused promo codes can be deleted. If students have already used one, it can only be deactivated.